Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mridula, Senior Consultant, Fertility Expert, 49 Hospital, Secunderabad branch. So today I'll be discussing effect of aging on fertility. So how aging affects fertility? So many of us think that aging will affect fertility only in females, but that is not the case. So, even in men, we see fertility issues with age. So, how does this age affect fertility? In females, especially, we see as the age advances, the egg number and egg quality will decrease. This is a normal physiological process in every woman that we are born with a fixed or limited quantity of oocytes. So at birth, we'll have some reserve, out of which every month some eggs will be recruited. One egg will develop into a dominant follicle and get ovulated, and then the other will degenerate. This process will continue. If ovulation happens, there is no pregnancy, then again the same process will continue. So, as such, the reserve will come down for any individual, for any woman. But as we see now, when compared to the previous generations, the aging effect is more seen, predominantly seen. That is very early age, that is at 30 years also we are seeing decrease in the ovarian reserve, decrease in the oocyte quality. Why this is happening? So usually for some women, they'll be born with the good reserve, but due to the lifestyle effects or some disorders like endometriosis, some pelvic infections, the egg reserve will be coming down rapidly. For some women, there will be a genetic or a family history that they'll be born with a low reserve. So by birth only they'll have the low reserve, and by the time they reach the reproductive age, the reserve will come down. So lifestyle is a main factor here. So how the lifestyle is affecting our egg quality. So obesity, physical lack of physical activity, lack of sleep, stress, the food we eat, unhealthy food, junk foods, lot of saturated fats. So and also pollution, radiation exposure, pesticides in our food. All these are going to affect our reproductive health. As they affect the general health we see, they also affect our reproductive health. And the same case with the males also. So in the males also, most of them will be thinking that all these won't affect the sperm. So it is not like that. We see a decline in the male infertility, many sperm issues, many males with the sperm issues. As we see everyday OPD, almost in the couples we see 50% of the couples have the male issues also. No, it is not the case in the previous previous when compared to the cases 5 years back. Now we see more of male infertility issues also. So we urge the couples to plan pregnancy as early as possible whenever they're comfortable, but as early as possible. By the age of 30, by as a woman reaches the age of 30, we tell them to plan their pregnancy, and if they have one child by the age of 30, that will be better, and the success rates also will be better below the age of 30 years. Thank you.